If you enjoy painting with watercolor, this is a lovely set to try. It has 52 colors to choose from, and it has some other little treats inside. Comes in a beautiful blue tin, nice for travel. When you open it up, inside you have a little swatch book, so you can paint your colors on there. You have a regular swatch, comes with it, that also has a little bit about the product. You have a 0.5 black tip pen, a B pencil, a number 6 round brush, or 5, a little sponge, and a little bit of watercolor paper. Let me unwrap these and share with you how beautiful they look. Look at that. Just stunning. So that little top part where all the pen and the pencil is, that little plastic comes out, and then you have the top of it to mix your colors in for your palette. Just lovely. So I'm going to do a quick little painting for you here and share with you all these beautiful juicy colors. I do have a secondary palette, travel palette, because one of my favorite colors to use is opera pink. Unfortunately, this set doesn't have that, but don't let that stop you, because these colors are just so vibrant and beautiful. Now, this is their newer set of 52. They did change 11 colors. They replaced 10 of the macaron colors and changed one other one. And they did rearrange the colors as well. And the internal packaging is updated. So yeah, I totally love this set of paints, and I was happy to review them for them. I did not get paid for this. This is just my personal opinion, and I will be using this palette for years to come. It's very nice and bright, and they dried beautifully. So here is my dried finished painting, and it's just beautiful. Love this set of paints. I hope you found this helpful, and I can highly recommend this for your next purchase from Amazon. Thank you for your time.